Missile defense systems are intended to safeguard a country against imminent missile attacks. Ground-based air defense systems play a crucial role in a country's defense. They are the goalkeepers of the skies of the particular country. Indian Air Force, as you all know, is right now struggling to maintain its own strength. In such a scenario, the role of air defense systems becomes very important. In this video, we are going to look at the various types of air defense system India operates. So before starting, hello everyone, this is your friend Saurabh Kumar and you are watching the Connaissance channel. If you are not subscribed this channel, subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get interesting notifications like this to you as soon as I upload the video. So without any delay, let's get started. First, I would like to tell you about the components of a air defense system that a particular country has. First is the long range interception that is being accomplished by the Indian Ballistic Missile Defense Program. Second is the intermediate interception that would be taken care by the S-400 Triumph that has been bought by India from Russia. Third is the short range interception that is being looked by Akash air defense system and similar systems such as Barak 8 air defense system. Fourth is the very short range interception that is handled by manpads and anti-aircraft guns. So I would tell you each of these components of air defense system one by one. But before that, I would like to talk about the Indian Ballistic Missile Defense Program. The Indian Ballistic Missile Defense Program is an initiative to develop and deploy a multi-layered ballistic missile defense system to protect India from ballistic missile attacks. Introduced in light of the ballistic missile threat from Pakistan and China, it is a double-tiered system consisting of two land and sea-based interceptor missiles, namely the Prithvi Air Defense, that is abbreviated as BAD missile for the higher altitude interception, and the Advanced Air Defense abbreviated as AAD missile for the lower altitude interception. The two-tiered shield should be able to intercept any incoming missile launched from 5,000 kilometers away. The system also includes an overlapping network of early warning systems and tracking radars as well as command and control posts. So first here comes the Prithvi Air Defense, that is abbreviated as PAD missile. The PAD is an anti-ballistic missile developed to intercept incoming ballistic missiles outside the atmosphere, that means exo-atmospheric. It has an operational range of 300 to 2000 kilometers. It has a maximum interception altitude of 80 kilometers. It is designed to intercept incoming ballistic missiles in their intermediate cruising phase. As you all know that a missile when launched towards a target has three stages. First is the launching stage, second is the intermediate stage in which it gains the momentum and moves toward its target, and third is the terminal phase in which a missile increases its velocity and moves toward the target with full force including its warhead. So with a maximum speed of over Mach 5, PAD is fast enough to hit intermediate range ballistic missiles. It is a two-stage missile. The first stage is solid fuel motor while second stage is liquid fuel. It has maneuver thrusters which can generate a lateral acceleration of more than 5 Gs at 50 km altitude. Guidance is provided by internal navigation system with mid-course updates from LRTR and active radar homing in the terminal phase. Second comes the Advanced Air Defense, or the abbreviated as AAD missile, that is a part of Indian Ballistic Missile Defense Program. The AAD is an anti-ballistic missile designed to intercept incoming ballistic missiles in the endo-atmosphere. PAD was exo-atmospheric, AAD is endo-atmospheric at an altitude of 30 km or 19 miles. It is for those targets which somehow get passed through the PAD. Means if somehow or the other PAD is not able to hit a particular target coming towards India, it is the secondary layer which complements PAD. The AAD will not leave that target. AAD has an operational range of 150 km to 200 km. It has a maximum speed of 4.5 Mach. The Advanced Air Defense System is a single stage solid fuel missile with siliconized carbon jet vanes. Guidance is given by the internal navigation system, mid-course updates from ground-based radar and active radar homing in terminal phase. Then comes a range of short-range interception. Indian Army and Indian Air Force operates a variety of systems in this segment. These mainly include surface-to-air missiles that are also known as SAM. like missile Akash SAM, S-125 Pechora, Spider air defense system, and many more. So we will be talking one by one. First is the S-125 Pechora. S-125 Pechora is a surface-to-air missile system of Soviet origin. For a very long time, this system has been the backbone of Indian Air Force's air defense. This system is 60 years old as it was first introduced into service by the Soviet Union in 1961. This system has participated in almost every modern conflict. It has countless kills against various adversaries. Indian Air Force operates 25 squadrons of Pechora missile air defense system. Its maximum speed of its missiles are 3 to 3.5 Mach. Maximum target altitude is less than 20 km. Operational range is 30 km. Next is the Akash air defense system. Akash is a medium-range mobile surface-to-air missile defense system developed by DRDO, that is Defense Research and Development Organization of India, and the missile produced by Bharat Dynamic Limited. The missile system can target aircraft up to 45 km away at altitudes of 18,000 meters. It has the capability to neutralize aerial targets like fighter jets, cruise missiles, and air-to-surface missiles as well as ballistic missiles. Warhead it can carry is 60 kg per pre-fragmented high explosive warhead. Operational range is 45 km. Maximum speed is Mach 3.5. Launch platform is T-72 or BMP-2 chassis or Tata Motors heavy mobility trucks. Indian Air Force operates 8 squadrons of Akash air defense system. Indian Army operates 2 regiments of it. Army has also placed order of 2 more regiments. Next is Spider air defense system. The Spider, that is an abbreviation for surface to air, Python and Derby. Python is a one missile and Derby is other missile of Israel, and its combination is called Spider. So Spider is a Israeli short and medium range mobile air defense system developed by Rafael Advanced Defense System with assistance from Israeli aerospace industries. Spider is a low-level, quick-reaction surface-to-air missile system capable of engaging aircraft, helicopters, unmanned aerial vehicles, drones, and precision-guided munitions. It provides air defense for fixed assets and for point and area defense for mobile forces in combat areas. Spider launcher is designed to fire Python 5 and Derby surface-to-air missile which share full commonality with air-to-air missiles. Indian Air Force currently operates a single squadron of Spider and has placed order for 4 more squadrons. Next is 9K-33 OSA-AK. It is a highly mobile, low-altitude, short-range tactical surface-to-air missile system designed in the Soviet Union. OSA was the first mobile air defense system incorporating its own engagement radars on a single vehicle. All the versions of 9K-33 feature all-in-one 9A-33 transporter launcher, a radar and radar vehicles which can detect, track and engage aircraft independently or with the aid of regimental surveillance radars. The missiles. The OSA-AK system used by Indian Air Force carries 6 9M33M3 missile. These missiles have an approximate range of 15 km and maximum speed of Mach 3. Next is the 2K-12KUB. The 2K-12KUB mobile surface-to-air missile system is a Soviet low to medium level air defense system designed to protect ground forces from air attack. The warhead is Frag HE 95 kg. Mass is 599 kg of the missile. The name is of the missile that it launches is KM-9 missile fired from KUB. Next is the Barak LRSAM, that is an abbreviation for long range surface to air missile. It is also known as MRSAM, that is medium range air surface to air missile, is an Indo-Israel surface to air missile designed to defend against any type of airborne threat including aircraft, helicopter, anti-ship missiles and the UAVs as well, and also ballistic missile, cruise missiles and combat jets. Barak 8 was jointly developed by Israeli Aerospace Industries, Indian Defense Research and Development Organization, Israel Administration for the Development of Weapons and Technological Infrastructure. Bharat Dynamic Limited produced the missiles. Operational range is 0.5 to 100 km. Flight ceiling is 16 km and maximum speed is Mach 2. All three services, Indian Army, Indian Air Force and Indian Navy uses Barak 8. Next is the Quick Reaction Surface to Air Missile, QRSAM. Quick Reaction Surface to Air Missile is a missile developed by the DRDO in association with Bharat Electronic Limited and Bharat Dynamic Limited for the Indian Army. This missile is an all-weather, all-terrain SAM equipped with electronic countermeasures against jamming by anti-craft radar. The missile can be mounted on a truck and is sorted in a canister. QRSAM uses solid fuel propellant and has a range of 25 to 30 km. The single-stage missile uses solid propellant for propulsion. Maximum speed by it is 4.7 Mach and the flight altitude is 30 meter to 6 km. Next is S-200 Air Defense System, SA-5 Gamon. Russian name S-200 is a low to high altitude, very long range surface to air missile system designed to defend large areas from bomber attack or other strategic aircraft. Initial deployment of an S-200 trial unit using the original 5V-21 missile took place from 1963 to 1964 on the outskirts of Tallinn in Estonia. In 1989, India purchased two S-200 Angara systems and two 5V-21 missile from the Soviet Union. Today, S-200 augment India's lower altitude air defenses as the country purchases more advanced ballistic missile defense capabilities such as Prithvi defense missile interceptors. Then comes the very short range interception less than 10 km. These defenses are the last ditch weapon against any incoming aerial threat. Indian Air Force and Indian Army uses anti-aircraft guns and man-portable air defense systems, that is abbreviated as MANPADS. So first in this range is 9K35 Strela 10. 9K35 Strela 10 is highly mobile, visually aimed, optical, infrared guided, low altitude, short range, surface to air missile system. The Strela 10 system was originally designed to use 9M37 missile as its primary weapon. The missile is 2.2 meter long, weighs 40 kg and carries 3.5 kg warhead. The maximum speed of the missile is near Mach 2. Engagement range is from 500 to 5000 meter and engagement altitude is between 10 and 3500 meters. Next is 2K22 Tunguska is a Russian tracked self-propelled anti-aircraft weapon armed with a surface-to-air gun and missile system. It is designed to provide day and night protection for infantry and tank regiment against low-flying aircraft, helicopter and cruise missiles in all weather conditions. Next is Bofors 40mm gun. The Bofors 40mm gun, often referred to simply as Bofors guns, is an anti-aircraft autocannon designed in the 1930s by the Swedish arm manufacturer AB Bofors. A small number of these weapons are still in service with the Indian Army. Next is KPV heavy machine gun. In the post-World War II period, Soviet forces inducted a new heavy machine gun known as KPV 14.5. The weapon was in development as far back as 1944 and chambered for fire anti-tank rifles. This gun is locally manufactured by the Ordnance Factory Board Tirchi and is used as dedicated AA gun. These guns are used as quadruple gun mounts. Next is MANPADS. Indian Army, Indian Air Force and Navy use 9K38 Igla-S as the primary man-portable air defense system. However, Army also uses Stinger missiles in limited numbers. It is the primary MANPAD of all the three services used in large number. It is in Soviet equivalent of Stinger missile. Stinger missile. Indian Army is currently procuring fresh lots of Igla-S from Russia. FIM-92 Stinger. FIM-92 Stinger is a man-portable air defense system that operates as an infrared homing SAM. Indian Army uses Stinger in very limited number due to its high cost. These were all the air defense systems used by the Indian Armed Forces. India has multi-layers of air defense system, and when the S-400 defense system will be inducted, it will increase the air defense capabilities by many fold. So this was the end of the video. Thank you for listening and watching.